Well, we're back here at McKibben Honda here in Winter Haven, Florida. They invited us out here to actually record an unboxing of their very first set of Honda Monkeys. This is the big stuff. I have the Grom. This is where I bought my Grom, and they called me up and said, hey, you want to come over here and record it? I said, heck yeah. So big shout out to Casey McKibben. Doug Stoner is a big salesman out here. Let's go inside and watch an unboxing. Here we go. This is what the Honda Monkey looks like in the box. Oh, here we go right here. Made in Thailand. It is not made in Japan. For everybody who keeps questioning these stuff. So it looks like it's a lot like the Honda Grom boxing. Same place, probably is. Minor builds. But we're going to go ahead and show you from start. This is their very first one here. They got, how many did you guys get in today? 5 of them. Plenty here, McKibben Honda. Alright, let's go inside and start unboxing.
I'm not sure why I do it like this. It's more exciting.
It's like opening up a Christmas present. Oh, it's the yellow one.
I know, I wish it was the red one.
I wish we got the blue one in America, but
the red, you ain't getting the blue one? Just yellow
I
and
heard
red?
it's a yellow and red for right now. Casey talked to me yesterday. He said he might be able to swing something for a blue one. Look at that.
I'll go ahead and get that.
Woo! Alright. Look at this. See, they almost come fully assembled, just like the Grom did when I had the Grom video from my Grom. This is their very first monkey. Because McKibben's a powerhouse, they get their stuff within like a day or whatever as soon as they order them. They're not like the regular Honda dealers. There's only, I think, 3 of them in the entire state of Florida. So they're first on priority for orders. Yeah. Beautiful little thing. We'll let the mechanic get back to work.
Well, that's kind of bizarre there, the way they're...
Just really appreciate if you guys called me out for this.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah,
especially your very first one.
Yeah, he's been wanting to get it set up.
When did it get here?
There
it is. Wow. It's almost fully assembled already. Look at that. It's gonna be one fast little build, ain't it?
Yeah, done. Feels like Christmas is not even my Christmas.
Look at that little bike. It's awesome.
That looks cool, Larry. Where do these things top out at?
How about the same as the Grom? Around 62?
Around over 60.
Yeah. You're going to be pushing to get any more than that. And that was a Grom personally.
Yeah. It's comfortable. I thought it'd be kind of small, but it's not. It doesn't. It doesn't.
Yeah, it's the old vintage Honda symbol.
Yeah, that's the old.
When these first came out, yeah.
Alright, here is the final look at the whole assembled 5 minutes long assembly of the brand new Honda Monkey, sorry. It looks awesome. The seat is so big too. They said it's so much softer too, more comfortable. Let's get up here and show the front headlights. And of course we're gonna turn this sucker on. At least let's turn the headlights on. And all the basic stuff for you. I won't turn the motorcycle on. Said it hasn't been done its inspection review yet. Oh, there's my son! There's my son! Yay! My son is riding the little thing. See if I can get him out there. There you go. You guys can see him now. Yay! Oh, I better get back to the Honda Monkey here. Let's show you the startup here. Sweet. Show it one more time for you guys. That's so awesome. Oh, by the way, the keys look different too. The keys are a regular key style, where the Grom has that little switchblade type key. Well, there you go. Big shout out to Casey McKibben. Doug Stoner's the man you got to call out here if you want to actually buy one. We're here right in Central Florida. They contacted me, hooked me up. I bought my Grom from here. I want to buy a monkey from here. They just had said, hey, come out here and check this out. We already have somebody looking at it, so there you go. Anyways, there you go. Hope you guys like this sweet little unboxing. Take care. Here we go. Very first start of their Honda Monkey.
We hope.
Yay, it's so quiet. Just like the Grom. It sounds just like it.
It sure does.
Wow, it sounds identical. Listen, we're right by the exhaust, and you can barely hear the thing. Man, if this isn't just sounds like basically the Grom, I don't know what is. Damn, it's so quiet. Ridiculous. Oh yeah, we gotta look at this headlight, huh? Oh, sweet. Kind of like the angel eyes. Go for it.
Nope, that's not the high beam.
Yep.
New guys, ready?
Yeah. Oh yeah. The bottom lights up.
Oh, that's a little smiley face.
This is nuts how quiet it is.
Listen to that.
He's revving it up and it's nothing.
Listen to that. That's beautiful.
Yeah, what does the horn sound like? Oh, just typical. There you go. Man. Great little toy bike. Great toy bike. These guys are so awesome. We're always hooking us up. There you go.